This time on Essex Speed Workshop,
we introduce our new project car, a Mazda RX8.
We're going rotary, baby! Introduced to the UK market in 2006, the Mazda RX8 took the world by storm. With its 1.3 litre rotary engine and 4 doors, the rear ones being funky suicide doors, it gained popularity with those looking for a cheap but practical sports car.
Fast forward 17 years, I was able to pick this one up for the bargain price of £800. Sight unseen off of Facebook Marketplace. No MOT and currently has no logbook. And he is probably hiding one or two secrets.
Come with us as we investigate the extent of Peter's poor financial decisions.
Yeah.
Are you looking at how bad my car is?
I can't quite get it on the camera, although I'm sure you can see it.
Would you like a bigger light?
No, it's okay, this light will do. I don't think they're meant to be there.
I don't want to look.
From factory, I don't think they're like that. I wonder what they're meant to go to.
It's not where the O2 sensor's now no longer there, is it?
No, that's there. I can see the O2 sensor.
One in it?
Yeah, because they've cut it off and welded behind the O2 sensor. Which is.
I want to look, but I don't.
Oh, the exhaust looks amazing.
Yeah, but we also know how loud this is.
It's like the. Oh, hang on a second. It changes back there.
You're saying I bought a nugget?
I think that's the polite way of putting it, yeah. The exhaust changes. The centre section's different to the back section.
Oh, fudge. What earth
The diff is leaking as well.
Badly?
No. Sort of Evo levels of leaking.
Oh, not to worry then.
Oh, you can top it up faster than it leaks out.
Yeah. Well, no, it depends where it's leaking out of. If it is the something, I've got the perfect tool for it.
What, is it a welder?
No. It's a liquid gasket called RTP.
Yeah, that'd do it.
So, I think this car belonged to old MacDonald at one point.
Oh yeah, what, the grass hanging down underneath it?
And the mud. Look at it all. Shame I don't have any cows. They could feast off that for a week.
Well, I assume when it left the road and had its little accident,
yeah,
it collected.
Oh my god, the sump is rusty with a capital R. Ow.
Is it holding fluid?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah. There you go.
That's probably why it's rusted. There's no prevention method. Yeah, so downpipe is stock. That's good.
Yeah.
Because that'd be a pain to change. Centre section is, or downpipe is very shiny and new. I don't know what. There's two lots of wires that are hanging down. This one goes up by the exhaust. I wonder if this is why the traction control light continuously flashes and it's not actually because the battery's been out and it needs to be reset. There's a method for resetting it.
Yeah, you showed me. I mean, it could be. It could be one of many things looking at it. But wires hanging down underneath
the fact that they're missing plugs.
Flapping in the breeze usually is not a...
I mean, there's only two.
There's more than two. We've got two lots of wires.
Yeah, two. It kind of concerns me that there's red wires, which one assumes that means power is just flapping in the breeze.
Maybe that's why the battery goes flat.
Oh, it could be, yeah. What concerns me is it's part of the The loom. Oh no, it's not. No, it's not part of the loom that goes to the starter. That's okay then. Wow. It doesn't look too bad under here. There's a bit of rust. I'm talking in rust terms, I should say.
Yeah, have you seen all the back end of it?
No, I'm at the front end right now. I'm not going to look at the back end. Oh, I see what this one is. This one looks like it traces up to the front O2 sensor. Yeah, it is. There's the front O2 sensor there. You wiggle the wire and it moves this side. Okay, mystery solved, it's fine. Doesn't need that. That is a point, we're going to have to nut and bolt check this whole thing.
Passed. Passed.
Because, yeah, we'll probably have to quickly take this bit of plastic off and just paint this before it rots to pieces.
Before nature reclaims it.
Yeah, because the factory one is just coming off.
Yeah.
Problem we've got, the second you touch the clutch pedal, it just goes to the floor and does not return. Now, from the Google, this sometimes can be, oh maybe it is broken, can be because if there's excessive travel left and right, there's supposedly 2 bolts and 2 spot welds. The spot welds break, which then cause travel left and right, then you're not lined up with the rod at the top that will actually push your clutch in and disengage it. Or engage it, I guess. So, I guess where's the clutch pedal gone? There it is. There's that one to the left. Just wiggle it again. You see anything?
Yeah.
How broken is it? Or is that just the slop in the left and right? Ooh.
Do it again.
I can see the assembly here moving quite a bit.
Yeah, I don't know what it's meant to attach to. Hang on, let me move my hair out my face. I might be able to see better. Is that meant to be attached to something?
Probably. It's a car I bought, remember, it's never going to work properly first time. Or second.
Oh, okay.
Do I jam my head under?
Oh, yeah, go on then.
Well, I probably should have hoovered it first, but
It smells weird in there. You reckon it doesn't smell too bad, do you? I think it smells like train.
I quite like trains.
Yeah.
There's worse smells. I've had cars
There
that smell
are.
way worse.
Yeah, that's true.
Do you know what I need though?
What?
A light so I can actually see.
Yeah.
God, I wish I didn't have such a big head.
Nice hoodie.
Thanks. Oh, what does this button do?
That looks like an immobiliser button.
Oh, great. It's just what you want as a car where the remote central locking doesn't work. As I found out this morning, I was just pressing the buttons, I thought, oh, maybe the key's out of battery. That's what I'm telling myself. Yeah, so...
6-speed.
6-speed. Very quickly.
Yeah.
And I'll try and demonstrate. So... You got... I probably want to turn... This is going to be quality footage of the... Oh, wrong one. No, that one there. So, you've got clutch pedal, connects to this rod which should act like the clutch. And you've got a spring here that then brings it back. Now, you push it down, you get stuck. Which makes you think the spring works, but there's probably just water in the system. Which just means we should have to
Just bleed it all in it.
bleed it, and it will then, because it does spring back,
It's just not got any pressure against.
yeah, exactly. So, should we try bleeding the clutch?
Yeah.
I've got loads of fluid. I bought 2 litres of new,
Yeah.
but I've also got spare up there for flushing things.
Yeah. One thing.
And we need There is no cap, and you can see it's rather full, and there's leaves in it because there's no cap. It's fine. We can.
Just needs a cap though, and
Yeah.
the fluid's draining.
Next time on Essex Speed Workshop, we realised that it's not just a fluid and cap change required, as we delve deeper into the RX8 project and end up replacing both the master and slave cylinders in an attempt to make the clutch pedal return.
No more nasal.
Hmm.
That's more McDonald's.